My dad, Jim Henderson, passed away this past Saturday. He was 81 years old. He lived a very full life and was very active right up until he got sick about 6 months ago. He's gone through some sickness and tribulation, but he came out on the other side. But this last bout, he just couldn't overcome it. So I wanted to memorialize him in pictures, mainly for my memory and the family's memory. And I want to read you a little bit about my dad because I feel like I should share what he was like. He was born in 1944 in Magnolia, Arkansas. He had an early love for music, and a family member taught him his first chords on the guitar. His talent blossomed, and he started playing with some friends and later created a band called the Pacemakers. This was in the 60s. The group even entered a talent contest in Little Rock, Arkansas. Ricky Nelson, which was famous at the time, was the prime entertainment at the Coliseum in Little Rock that day. Dad always told the story of a mishap that happened on stage during that experience. During the performance at the talent contest, his guitar strap broke and the guitar fell onto the stage and bounced. He caught it on the rebound and kept on playing and never missed a lick, and the crowd went wild thinking he did that on purpose. My dad wore many hats, literally and figuratively. He spent part of his childhood with his parents and his siblings as migrant farm workers up in the cotton fields in northeastern Arkansas, near Tomato, Arkansas, if you've ever heard of that before. That's right on the banks of the Mississippi River. His career later consisted of many different jobs that included farming, the United States Army, a painting helper, and a sign painter helper at the Army ammunition plant in Minden, Louisiana. He was also a service advisor and coordinator at Chevy Land in Shreveport, Louisiana, and ultimately the owner and operator of Henderson Signs of Minden, Louisiana, and later Branson, Missouri. Dad bought the previous company, Minden Signs, in Minden, Louisiana in 1977, and Henderson Signs was born. That career and business lasted 48 years, right up until the end of 2025. Henderson Signs was located in Minden, Louisiana from 1977 until 1989, when the business was moved to Branson, Missouri. Dad's music ventures included playing in church services, at home, in his own studio, with friends, on stage at various events and friends' homes. His love of fishing was equal to music. Dad didn't just go fishing, he always told me he went catching. When the fishing was prime, Dad was on the water catching or at least trying. His other hobbies included car racing, including dirt, track racing, or asphalt, or on asphalt, in person, or watching it on TV. He also liked doing outdoor projects at home and doing landscaping in their yard in Branson. He was a faithful member of Faith and Wisdom Church in Branson, Missouri, and had many, many friends there. He also put God first in everything he did. His love and faith in Jesus was always solid, as was his sharing the Word of God. So you can see that he did indeed wear many hats: musician, fisherman, business owner, deacon, elder, race fan, sign designer, husband, brother, friend, uncle, grandfather, and great-grandfather. But to me, the greatest of all was Dad. Jim was previously married to Carol Cooper, my mother, and a son, Marty Henderson, came into existence. After a few years, they decided the marriage wouldn't work as expected, but they remained friends up until the last. Several years ago, while Dad was in the service advisor at Chevy Land in Shreveport, Sheila Owen came into the dealership to have her car serviced. Dad came walking out with a big smile and said, "Can I help you, ma'am?" And he handed his card to her. He had never given anyone his card before until that day. What she really did was find her soulmate for the rest of Dad's life. 52 years of marriage and a business partner. Dad was preceded in death by his grandparents, his mother, Nora Allman Henderson, his father, Orville James Henderson Sr., his sister, Linda Henderson Marler, all of McNeil, Arkansas. Dad is survived by his loving and loyal wife of 52 years, Sheila Ann Owen Henderson of Branson, Missouri, his brother Jerry Henderson and wife Nancy of Waldo, Arkansas, his sister Rose Maples and husband Robert of Sarepta, Louisiana, his son Marty Henderson and my wife Denise of Emerson, Arkansas, his grandson Wyatt Henderson, his wife Ashley of Waldo, Arkansas, his granddaughter Caroline Tripp and her husband Joey of Louisville, Arkansas, great-grandsons Hoyt, Hagen, and Halen Henderson of Waldo, Arkansas, great-granddaughter Josie Tripp of Louisville, Arkansas, and a host of nieces and nephews, cousins, and friends. We're going to miss my dad. And even though he was up in age, that man could outwork me right up until about 6 months ago when he got so weak. But we cherish the memories that he left, and we forevermore love him. Thank you.